Nirmala Kenyam Biakamal Kanur online TV channel Kajan Guasame Banarwachanda Choda Lare which Naser Banajaling Ki reported Dana Shanong Kurdana Chito Kam Jeshni Jeshan Bor Kane SSPDF la de nikir ma yadi te jen ban update me ban jeling ko do bana chalat ke jem re ler kana na me ban mandana to koro daga je ban jeling ko te ka do mi shoda lat ni won ngai kono dong da jen bor kanete kono dong de SSPDF de kana maka wo yara diu do shala do shika ken ke de ne bok nasoro na bakawa ban leram ban jeling ko do bana chanu ke je ko no kono de kom dan lero de kono ngai ke de ne dial de ke ngai merong ko ne me ngai ken wo butok re wich ka Naser ngode dung doma re wich ko lankan te ngode te ler mi chanong tin bat ke jen gwas me ban lan mandan lero de re wich ka Naser kantin content chalat re wich ka juba kan bu kon ka lingoni tin chalat kume SSPDF ke kume men de pinkir ma yadit gore bi ñu wax nasin ko ken mi jiram jidit ku subscribe ko notification bell ko jetwan ban ci re leer kaname kuran ci to re wich ka Naser kam jejen bor kan SSPDF chalado shi hal shi rodien barai wich ka Naser shi kan rodien barawinten ko ken ka mandan an chalat re wichin winemi keler dana chalat gwasame wachi South Sudan People Front Force ken local army la jejen bor wachi ke rum korunwang chalado nene kwai ke pegandan en chiliu ke pegandan cha moy ka bot re korna na chitok dindo men yaman chalat gwasame waga jelat ne bakelong awacho to ko chinete kontla SSPDF chuken rek Naser chuken book charaji mo chajalat local youth leader wun Michel ka territorial gat kos charaji mo chajalat no nene rek mo tog run wang gwan mi SSPDF chicken me dit chicken ka yor re ka Naser lo bakani de kontla hali tindre reak na mo shone de kon la hali shu jaka o biken rodien bare wech kan gwasamo chu kur chu tok chu jeden bor chu kan chu ngaitin gwan mi chala ro cha SSPDF cha jo dordana tetin ka wi yara diu ko rajadan choralat an kurin ci tok gwada me wajen cho kon tok na pan ja tok pan do be dane tok je pan kor me duno kana wonyam chala do nene wa kuri dana ci tok ka rajadan chalat wudu shal ka tershol gat kos ramadan en la kwer ngani re wech ka Naser chala do no re ka Naser wa te ke ramkel ka jejen bor mishawunak anetin kontin SSPD barka neje wana mo shu tension shu jenno long re ka Naser wa ka run wang long na baka shu kan de ni shu kan na chu to ka muku kan ka bom ke barka na ka mech dit anyok chu to ko en wala re ko ran ci to ka jilar wala shanga de ka pay de ron kin dangro di shu machine gun ke helicopter wa chu bok gunship wacha bogre which ka Naser charaj mo chajala de chol ka do badan en chawre lat keje chan jo me chan jaling jo ma toro long bana kulu wo nyam ko tin kon lat ko rodien
kan ne jakan no ban ina na bitit na da medina ba ay pina gatir katalo inaza lakin je jao dakalena azla ko azla da kubar zaba tana ata u tayara da do gamana dakalena be tayara
men ci to gwada mishaling la de jen o shi renyal shabok chana bogre wich re ka Naser kana mo wa kume mela kume kirma yadit ko kume kirma yadit jen cha dier kanire konaten gwasamo chala de o jen cha chubok ci chol che la de nene chol entame la de jen o jenetere wich ka Naser town ano che kume mela kume kirma yadit che gwanyano kaniten konten yar ke mal ke tenno ke dech en wo be dech be nyen ke ne de konti la hali re wich ka Naser je raji mo cha jalat ka do badana to chala de on tame tele mi gware wich ka Naser ka do badan ci kurche to goje ko Naser ton ajene chaje book kume mela SSPDF ko raja dana chalat ajene ko ne den konti tere wich ka Naser nong ne mala long du no cha ne nok anitin konti la kume SSPDF lo chanka ne shit ko dong shiga ne South Sudanese ka do badan en nakane ka ja ka bokane ka ja re reak goje la kane boka meti dit kay yom shawalat ka dor baka laro to gane akan la meti dila ka euro kane ne ko wono de ne respond ke de ne madan le ro de ne ngach no baka no la no e ka kontu ko mon entam akan bongne re reak ci waya mi ke jeje borje chu kech eno ci kor mo je chu tok re wechen winami ci kor chu wona ka yara diu ko do bana shalat ke jam security situation ka gerta penal state jen chaje yarne ka tuk pyro shirka mengai kone gwaze dane cha SSPDF chaja nangre wik ka Naser ke larga je no bay nangre wik Naser kan matuoga gwaze dane cha SSPDF chike nyen ke jejen bore re ka Naser gwaze cha ne chup ka diech cha ga nak tin ka jej SSPDF chu kan chu gorno bikan de dodian bikan rep ka de jejen an cha ral kan no nangre wik Naser antame mukula clash ke magaga ke jejen bor wa jejen chalka agwelek militia me both ke General Johnson ulun wutat wa kan theory alaka and wo bikan ne de continent area kan Naser bikan ka joj ke bikarek Naser bikan kep manda diana je ka be longwa me do badan inshallah no General Johnson ulun general me cha kwain ko be me diare great apnal state baka kep wajen were area kan Naser ko be me hal baka kep na me bo jene konti la hale chalo den che jaga jajet ka do badan en ci kum South Sudan ci kan gorga jeno biga me hale bikan kep ko ngai kan gwano hale ci kan be nok ku je mo ci goren ci mo ka me kan content la South Sudanese government ko bikan den konti la hale bikan kan me kel mishala do yere malga me cha tan ka ron kin dangri wal badak ka ku je mo chala do shamala mo cha je yar kume kirma yadit ala SSPDF Naser County Commissioner galwa lewte ko ran chalat gwasame chaje te ka do ran chaje te ke ta dan to kor ka je ke ta dan mite ga ne disha na ke te ne disha mu ka bot roje chalar gwasame chana je link.
Sorry, now I cannot manage to talk. Maybe we will talk later. Sorry, now I cannot manage to talk. Maybe we will talk later.
Okay. Karo dan chalat gwasame kim chakwen ajene entame tele gwambara keje ajene ngoda ku kan gor rointe kono lat karodian ajene entame tele time ke tele mebalar enimi cher roin nit ronko dongde kul roch ajene ramdana la Naser County Commissioner galwalo ajene tele ler mebalar entame duno gweje no bagwat kon realeka bamandan le roda re we kan Naser ke kurana chitu baje kulalat gwasame te roin me chalada wo cha SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lure Kong jen wacha jeti chelar no tukurtin panyre wik Naser County dungdo jenitel information te chini shop kaje ne katin content la SSPDF tintere wik Naser jene ngoda tele la mitin shop kaje ka kuyi dana chire ko mache to kaje tele mi channel at ka kuyi go miti ne shiliu ke te ne shamu ka board wichin winami jene tele mi link ka kuide chawra je mo chaje la dino no anyok china nyok right ke wuda dana chal ka ter manyanga which Ramadan la executive director ka kuyi malka re wik South Sudan ka do badan en chire ko chawra lat keje man chalat gwaz me jene shama le dane chalat kemen shall ke revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict re wik South Sudan jene shaje yar jene me mi chawra lat ka kor gwaz dan dundo ngore tem ko ne content mal pinta la re terma nyanga do jene me jene ko ne content mal pinde ngut tie malte pinda ngoda gone ne do badan en togre ke ti keje kon let ko dongde mal dara ben duno katin kon lat ko rudien tam shamal la tok chaje yarke chaje bridge duno ngode ba mala mo bay jaga jabe jen ta dana sitel ma nyanga do che jalar no mo en kur pay to ka SSPDF kane jejen bore re kan Naser wa to ga ta 1 pm wa ci jejen bor wa kan pankere re kan Naser wa me to panana me this is yesterday incident me to re kan Naser jejen bor wa ci gore re kan kwasa mo chu SSPDF chu karan jejen bor chu kana chu nak an kwasa mo wan gwad mo chu te ka kor mi to ka chu aja kapchong emer dien gwasa me men kwala lat gwasa me wa kor dia le to ko ka gwada chewa ko en kor tore ka Naser me cha pel ne ka 2017 gwada dane ba mal ba ko lat koron kin dangre wal badak ajenta me dane tuk kor dial ka ja en mi pay be to wajen politique mi chala no ngene content pinker ma yadit ko gor kan ode ken SS de kan spele mayo de kan juj re which kan Naser ka do bana chalat keje ko en spele mayo wa part of Naser lo tiken ke kamdien bo baneden kono kula gaga tem ci spele mayo ke halatin gujeno ba me ken ba ka kep ka gor ko ka ko me ken ko chala do ken shunka kel ka spele mayo ne me jen ler dana chalat gwasame beje nyoko mu ko nje yaka tuk English ka do bana cha no kaje no clash between the South Sudan People Defense Forces and local army group known as the Y Army have been reported in Naser County in Naser County in Upper State, resulting in an unspecified number of casualties and forcing many residents to flee. The fighting, which began early on Monday, is said to be ongoing with the report of heavy machine gun fire and aerial bombardment. A local youth leader, thɛr Cholgatkot, said that the violence has caused civilian casualties and displaced many into surrounding area for safety. The government soldier told us yesterday that there would be no fighting, and we agree our people return, but surprisingly this morning they start to shell us in the town with their big machine guns, and they also bomb us by plan. Shaul said this.
El chebra kuma mbara woga lelena chakala mapu nas bitana kulu umaraja ukid asakar de luare bunu nas jaende chakala uman padu tawala gibel dakalena azala tawala aza nazal kan ne chakana bal ina nas bitit nas ta medina bas ayati nas katir katalo Naser lakin je jao dakalena azala abda kubar zaba tana ata tayara da gama
He added that several people had been killed, though the exact number remain unclear. Shaul, who is currently in Naser town, accused government force of targeting civilian and undermining peace effort in the country. We, the people of Naser, feel that we are not part of South Sudan because of what is being done to us here, he said. The security situation in Upper Nile State has been unstable since mid-February, following early clash between the SSPDF and the White Army in Naser County. Tension escalated further after the government sent additional forces, including elements of the Outbreak militia group led by General John Sanuloy. Local communities have expressed concern that the deployment could lead to civilian targeting or a disarmament campaign. They have called for the deployment of the necessary unified force as outlined in the 2018 peace agreement rather than the current forces. Naser County Commissioner Galwagleo confirmed that fighting is going in Naser but declined to provide further detail, citing the need for more information.
Sorry, now I cannot manage to talk. Maybe we will talk later.
SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lure Kong acknowledged the military operation in Naser County, but stated that authorities are still gathering details. My boss is still waiting for the operation commander to provide him with the latest update. There is a problem with the network. We are not getting in touch. As soon as I get that information, I will immediately update you, Lul said. Thɛr Manyanga, which executive director of the Center for Peace and Advocacy, warned that the renewed violence threatened the implementation of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan and its recent extension. The renewed fighting between the SSPDF and the White Army began yesterday at around 4 p.m. when a member of the White Army went to Naser town and was shot dead by elements of the South Sudan People Defense Force. Thɛr explained that he urged both sides to add air to the 2017 ceasefire and called for dialogue to prevent further escalation. Both political leaders will bear a primary responsibility if the country returns to full-scale war due to mismanagement of this crisis, Thɛr said. He emphasized that the need for the SSPDF to act professionally as the national army and for the government to prioritize the protection of civilians. This is the message that I have for you. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.